When you find out what it does for you when you throw a cloth like this into your washing machine, then you will only do it this way in the future. I'll show you the background of this in this short video. Because we want to throw these cloths into the washing machine because of their structure. Because this has enormous advantages. Just put your clothes in the washing machine as normal. Now you should add some of these cloths. I will explain exactly what these are in a moment. Now put 1 to 3 of them in your washing machine directly with your laundry. Once you have done this, you should close the door. Now you can put your washing powder into the detergent dispenser and start the washing machine as you would normally. Now let it run through completely. So we haven't changed anything except that we've put some of these cloths in the washing machine. Now when the wash is done and you open the washing machine again and take out one of these cloths, you will notice that there is quite a lot of hair in here now, because that's the advantage of having these cloths in the washing machine. Because if you have pets, you know this problem too. You take the washing out of the machine and it's already full of hair. But having to tape the laundry every time after it's been washed is also annoying, and you certainly don't want to get rid of your furry friends either. And that's exactly what these wipes help you with. They are conventional disinfectant wipes. Do you still want to know why you should put your oven grill in a bag? Then be sure to watch the video I'm linking to you here.